After a long summer break, we are back for the racing, and we are back in Most for the second part of the season. Most is a place where track racing means something. Of course, many Czech drivers are on the race and they make a great show. But Most have also a long history with track racing. Since more than 20 years, we see the evolution, and honestly, is one of the best places of the season.
It was not so easy because the free practices were really tight, and also the qualifying was really tight, so I was expecting a hard race. But apparently Johan and Adam came together a little bit in the first turn. They had to fight, so it made my race a little bit easy. But I know it shouldn't be like this. Normally, if Johan wouldn't have a puncture, I'm sure he would be very close.
Start was not perfect, not one of the best, and I lose the position. I not push in the first chicane because it was very dangerous, and I keep on the second. I overtake and go for the first place. We have the double with Adam. I think it's a dream.
Yesterday I have a little mistake and we are not optimal with the setup. Together we do not the best job yesterday, but today we have the pole position. I'm happy. From the start to the finish I'm on the first position, but the last lap the engine is switched off, then I go to the finish straight without the engine, but I won, and this is the best for me and for my team. And this weekend we do with David double, and this is the perfect.